Have you ever imagined having a laser gun which can continuously shoot through anything? Well, it turns out you don't have to imagine it. It exists in the form of gamma ray bursts. Well, before knowing the concept of gamma ray bursts, we should first know about gamma rays. So what is gamma ray? Gamma ray is a form of electromagnetic radiation arising from the radioactive decay of atomic nuclei which carries energy. It is just like visible light, but visible light is a tiny part of the electromagnetic spectrum. At lower energies we have radio waves, microwaves and infrared, and at higher energies we have ultraviolet, X-rays and gamma rays. Gamma rays are incredibly powerful. One single gamma ray photon is more energetic than a million visible photons. They are energetic enough to break atomic bonds. This means it is dangerous to us. But fortunately, Earth is protected by the ozone layer, which blocks the gamma ray bursts and protects us. So how are GRBs formed? Before knowing that, we should know the types of GRBs. There are mainly two types of GRBs. There are the short GRB and the long GRB. This mainly depends on their duration. The short GRBs are more short in duration and the long GRBs are longer in duration. Scientists think long GRBs are produced by supernova when a core of a massive star collapses within itself and creates a black hole. And short GRBs are produced when two neutron stars are in a binary merge. Their orbits decay by emitting gravitational waves. When they are close enough to touch, they splash and crash with each other, forming a black hole. The black hole is surrounded by magnetized disk of gas, which is left by their parent stars. In this environment, the rotation winds of the magnetic field, which funnels jets of particles nearly at the speed of light. The gas in this funnel creates two tight jets of highly energy gamma rays, which is just like a laser. GRBs are very energetic, releasing more energy in a second than the sun will in its entire lifetime. This makes them the brightest event in the universe. Gamma ray burst was firstly discovered in July 2, 1967 by a Vela satellite. It was a nuclear test detecting satellite. It was built to detect gamma radiation emitted by nuclear tests. So it was perfect to detect gamma ray bursts in the space. When it was up in the space, it detected no nuclear weapon, but it detected gamma ray bursts. I think there are many interesting phenomena in the space, and gamma ray burst is one of the most interesting phenomena. Thank you for watching.